Right, I'm just going to give you a short introduction into Satco's internet television service. First of all, live screen TV. Press the home button on the remote control and it gives you this particular screen, and as you can see down the left hand side, channels are numbered, identified in its own way, and a little satellite screen. Under the satellite screen you'll see the program that's on now and the programs that are following on. Also on the left hand side, wherever there's a little yellow clock, remember we can go back 14 days. We'll come on to that in a little while by using what's known as the TV guide. Just press home again to go back, or OK, to a live screen, and up at the top of the remote control we have the electronic program guide. Pressing this button once then shows you all the programs down the left hand side and what's coming on. You can navigate across this using the up and down arrows to find some of the programs that are coming on in the future. Press the EPG button once again and this goes away. If I go back to the home button, press the home button, down the left hand side you can see the channels all indicated. Also, what I can do besides using that, I can go and insert the number of the channel that I want by just pressing something on the keypad. For example, if I select 85, not 855, but if I select 85, what will happen is in a little while the program will change to channel 85, which in this case is the History 2 channel. There's a complete range of channels including Sky Films, Sky Sports, as you can see them listed down the left hand side, and including in most cases 14 days catch up. In order to get the catch-up service, what we do, first of all, select the channel you want to catch up on. When you've got to that channel and the little screen has appeared, press the right arrow where it says TV Guide on the right-hand side of the picture. By pressing the TV Guide, you'll see on the screen the current program that's on, and highlighted on the left-hand side the current date. First of all then, press the left arrow and then you can choose the date of the program you want. So let's go back to last Wednesday and see if we can find the program we want. On Wednesday the 29th we missed a program, so press OK, and on the right hand side the programs listed on that particular day will change. Go into that service, go down the listing until you find the program. Perhaps, for example, in this case, Tipping Point, or further down, Emmerdale, or even the last episode of Coronation Street that you missed. When you've selected the program, press OK. First of all, down the bottom right-hand side at the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the fast forward button. Pressing OK should deliver the picture of the program we're looking for, Coronation Street. In this particular case, we've got a little bit of a program beforehand, so what we do is fast forward to bring us forward to the beginning of the program, pressing OK. We've still got the adverts, so we come forward a little bit further into the program, and hopefully now the program will start when it's caught up from the computer. And we have a previous episode of Coronation Street that we probably missed. In order to stop the program, all you need to do is press the home button to return to the service. Having pressed it more than once, we'll come right back to our live screen on today's date with ITV on the left-hand side. Next part of the procedure, of course, we want to find out if we're going to watch films, box sets and so on. So on the remote control we press the menu button. When we press the menu button you can see at the bottom of the screen a carousel of various systems that are available to us. First of all, what I'm going to do is press the right arrow and select On Demand. Now On Demand is in the middle of the screen. What I can do is select probably a movie or a box set that's available. There are up to 72,000 films and box sets available to us. So going down, I'm going to pick a real classic. I'm going to find the James Bond series of films. Once I've found that and listed it, press OK, and what it will do is indicate me a list. If you look at the bottom left-hand side of the screen, you'll see there's 2 pages, a total of 25 recordings. I don't know what your favourite James Bond film is, but let's just select one. First of all, once you select it, you press OK, and the film will start to play. In this particular case, just for saving time, I'm just going to fast forward a little bit. And here we have the beginning of the James Bond film. Remember again, 72,000 films and box sets to select from. We'll leave that for a little while and go back to the original part of the menu. So in this case, all I have to do is press the home button and stop the film, press home again to return to my original list. Because in this case now I'm going to choose the Audio Club, 500,000 bits of music. Press the right arrow, the Audio Club pops up in the middle. Have you got a favourite artist? Select the artist list and press OK, and what we have now is a list of artists on the left hand side. Go down the list, in this case we'll choose ABBA. If I press OK, I'm now selected an album by ABBA, Forever Gold. It's listed on the left hand side, so if I press OK, it will give me all the records that are on that particular album. Choose the record you want to play, press OK, wait for a little while, and we have it playing. It's as simple as that. When you've had and watched or listened to the music, press the home button twice to come back out of the system. Press your right arrow and we'll now choose some of the other items on the list. If you're really brave, you've got karaoke, but in this case, I'm not going to sing. We'll go to the radio setup. Having found radio in the little carousel at the bottom, press OK, and we have now listed all the radio stations. Notice they are not just the major radio stations, there's also Radio Cornwall, for example, Radio Guernsey, Radio Bristol. Select the radio station you want to play, press OK, and the radio channel will, after a few seconds, start to play. I'm going to stop that now, press the home button and return to the carousel. When I want to get back to my television programme, all I've got to do is press a left or right arrow until TV appears in the middle. While it's on all, then all you have to do is press the home button to return to your original TV channel.